Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how to create a journal on Canva and start making money on Amazon KDP? In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to design a best-selling journal, get it published, and start earning passive income. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Preparation. First, visit kdp.amazon.com, cover calculator. Here, you need to determine your book size. Start by choosing the binding type, hardcover or paperback. I recommend paperbacks. For the interior, go with black and white, and select white paper. The reading direction should be left to right, which is the standard. For measurements, use inches, with the standard size being 6x9 inches. If you want to check your competitors' dimensions or trim sizes, just open their product, scroll down to the product details, and you'll typically see 6x9 inches. For the page count, I suggest starting with 120 pages, which is also standard. Enter these details, calculate the dimensions, and you'll get the necessary information. Step 2. Creating the cover. Next, download the template. Inside the downloaded folder, you'll find 3 different files. Look for the PNG file. When you open it, you'll see 2 numbers representing the dimensions. Use these dimensions in Canva. Head over to canva.com. A free account is enough, but a pro account is also an option for additional features. After signing in, go to Create a Design. Scroll down to Custom Size, switch to inches, and enter the dimensions, 2520 and 9250. Then click Create New Design. Alright, here's what it looks like inside. Now, return to your template, click Copy, and paste it into Canva. Drag it to the corner and then adjust it so it fits perfectly. Click on it and adjust the transparency to see the red lines. These lines indicate where you shouldn't place any text or images as they'll be cut off. We'll design our book covers within these boundaries. If you're new to Canva, here's a quick info. It offers free images, shapes, and some graphics, although some are only available to Pro members. I use a free account, but if you want to upgrade to Pro, it's about $20 a month and provides additional elements. However, you don't need Pro to get started. Canva also has a variety of text styles, backgrounds, and other elements you can use. Let me quickly show you how it's done. For images, simply search for what you need, like animals. Canva offers a variety of images, including both Pro and non-Pro options, which you can customize. You can adjust shapes, flip images, and more. Canva offers many tools for creativity. Your book cover layout is simple. The right square is the front cover, the thin middle square is the spine, and the left side is the back cover. You can add title and subtitle text, change font sizes, and insert images. Experiment with different elements and consider modeling your design after successful books. Let's revisit this successful book. Notice that it contains no images or designs, just text, yet it's generating about $900 a month. There's another similar book, essentially a journal for memory aids, which is even simpler with just text. The topic can determine whether images are necessary. I'm going to create something like these books by removing the images. I'll go to Elements, click on Shape, and fill the entire cover. I'll change the color, and instead of adding a square, I'll update the background color. By lowering the transparency of the template, you can see the background color is set. Alright, the next step is to brainstorm our book title. Typically, the title is a humorous phrase like, "Things I need to write down, because I'm old and forgetful." Then the subtitle describes the book, such as, "A funny gift notebook for coworkers, friends, and family," similar to, "Crap I'll forget unless I write it down." It's a witty phrase followed by a description, like, "A humorous notebook gift for seniors." How do you generate these? It's incredibly easy nowadays using AI tools. I used ChatGPT, a free tool, and asked, "Could you provide 10 funny quotes about aging and forgetting things?" I need them for the title of my journal. ChatGPT gave me 10 quotes, such as, "I used to remember everything. Now I can't recall what I forgot." And, "My memory is so bad, I need notes to remember where I put my notes." These were a bit lengthy, so I requested shorter versions and received 10 more quotes that fit exactly what I needed. Among all these, my personal favorite is, "I'm not aging, I'm just increasing my note-taking efficiency," which I believe is a fitting title for a journal in this niche. Paste the title here, but it's currently too large, so we'll adjust the size accordingly. We may also need to reduce the text size to ensure it fits within the designated area without exceeding the boundaries. Additionally, I'll separate these texts into two distinct boxes like this and adjust their sizes accordingly. Let's also explore different fonts. I'll try out Chunk 5, which seems suitable, so I'll proceed with that choice. Now that we have the title in place, you can explore various styles. For instance, you might consider adding additional elements such as arrows. To do this, click on Elements, navigate to Shapes, and select an arrow to insert. You can resize and adjust the arrow's color as needed to enhance the design. Feel free to experiment and unleash your creativity, although for this demonstration, I'll maintain a simpler approach. Let's assume we're happy with this design for now. To save it, click on Share, and then choose the option to download. You can download it as either a PNG or JPEG file. I'll select JPEG for this example. Once it's downloaded, this is what our book cover looks like. Now, our next steps involve creating the interior of our journal and uploading everything to Amazon. Step 3. Creating the interior. To create the interior of your journal, start by returning to Canva. Begin a new design and select Custom Size, where you'll input the dimensions in inches, specifically the trim size of 6.9 inches, matching the book size. Upon clicking Create New Design, Canva will open with this setup. In Canva, explore Templates by searching for Journal to access various pre-designed options. You can either start from scratch or choose a template that suits your preferences. Once selected, customize it as needed. To modify text, simply click on the text box to adjust fonts, colors, and sizes. If you wish to add more pages, duplicate the existing ones. For unique designs on each page, continue creating new pages and customize them accordingly. After finishing the interior design of your journal, download it as a PDF. Navigate to Share, then Download, select PDF Print, and ensure to check Flatten PDF and Crop Marks and Bleed for proper formatting. Finally, click Download to receive your completed journal. Step 4. Uploading to KDP. Next, return to Amazon KDP, log in, and start a new project. Input your book information, upload both your cover and interior files, and set the price. Once everything is uploaded and reviewed, proceed to publish your journal. Today, we've explored the essential steps to creating and publishing your own journal on Amazon KDP. From setting up your account, to uploading your files, and finally hitting that publish button, you're now equipped to share your creativity with the world. Before you go, here's a question for you. What's one topic you'd love to create a journal about? We'd love to hear your ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips on publishing, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.